Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Check the care label for machine versus hand wash guidance and temperature limits because heat can damage the DWR finish. Empty pockets, zip up, and secure Velcro. This prevents abrasion during washing. Use a soft brush to remove loose dirt first. For stains, apply a small amount of mild liquid detergent to a 1/2 inch test area. Gently dab and rinse so you don't weaken the water repellent coating. Once done, you're ready to move into the main wash phase. Now you handle the wash properly. If machine washing, set a gentle cycle at cold or about 30 degrees C and use only a small amount of mild liquid detergent. Powders and fabric softeners strip DWR. If hand washing, soak the jacket for 10 to 15 minutes and gently squeeze water through. Do not wring. Rinse thoroughly. Run 2 rinse cycles or rinse until no suds remain because residue attracts water and ruins repellency. Make sure you support the garment to keep its shape while handling wet fabric. Finish by drying and, if needed, restoring repellency. Tumble on low with clean tennis balls for 10-20 minutes to help loft and reactivate DWR or air dry away from direct heat. Avoid temperatures over 60 degrees C. If water soaks instead of beading, apply a wash-in or spray-on reproofing treatment following the product directions, then heat activate gently if allowed. Troubleshoot. If wetting persists after one treatment, repeat reproofing and low heat activation, and check seams or abrasion for durable water repellent failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.